What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and yes, the final video of our craziness playlist. So let's get right into it. All right, so on the last video, yes, you heard it right. I said it. I'm gonna say it again. This is the last video for the playlist. So hopefully you guys enjoy this stuff. But on the last video, we left off here. Yes, this particular account, the Batman, has generic rights, and also notice that we have privileged operators as well as an object distinguished name. So let's dig into this a little bit more. Let's type in the following command. I want to get some information of privileged operators, and we're going to hit enter. And look, domain admins, privileged operators. This particular group is inside domain admins. Let's create the following variable. And this particular variable, we're using the Batman and the credentials that we cracked in many moons ago. And we're going to hit enter. Now from here, I'm going to type in the following command, right? I'm going to create a variable called user password, and I'm going to assign it to this password. Now this is my password, right? And the reason why we're doing this is I'm going to be creating an account within this domain controller. Yes. So let's hit enter. Now I'm going to type in the following command, new domain user. I'm going to call it the Joker. Give it the name of the Joker, displaying the Joker description. You have been hacked or you've been hacked, whatever you want. And account password, I'm going to assign it to the variable that we just established with the password that I gave it. And the credentials, we're going to take advantage of the credentials that we got for the Batman. So hit enter. It created the account. Holy moly. Awesome. Crazy. Let's type in the following command. Now let's add our new account into privileged operators. Hit enter. Now pay attention to the credentials that I'm using. I'm not using the original credentials that we got at the very beginning of our series. I'm using our new credentials that we got for the Batman. Now from here, let's click on sessions. Let's click on new tab. I'm going to type in the following command, and we're going to be utilizing the new account that we just created with the password that we just gave it. And we're going to try to establish a connection to the domain controller. Let's see what happens. Hit enter. Yes, we got access to it using our new account. Type in the following, who am I? Hit enter. We have NT authority system access. And if you want, type in host name and hit enter. DC, we have full access to the domain controller. Beautiful. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoy this playlist, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.